In this video, I will solve a problem for you regarding microwave oven. The problem that is given is a microwave oven bakes your food with 2.45 GHz radiation. Frequency is given. Calculate the wavelength in centimeter and wave number in centimeter inverse for the waves, and also find what is the energy of a photon in kilojoule per mole. Now lastly, what type of transition do these ovens, microwave ovens, seek to excite in molecules? Now the frequency is given, it is 1 GHz. We know 1 kHz is 10 to the power 3 Hz, 1 MHz is 10 to the power 6 Hz, and 1 GHz is 10 to the power 9 Hz. That is 10 to the power 9 cycles per second or 10 to the power 9 per second. So nu will be 2.45 GHz equals to 2.45 into 10 to the power 9 per second. Now we have to find the wavelength. Wavelength multiplied by frequency gives the velocity. Since frequency is the number of oscillations executed by the radiation per second and lambda is the distance traveled by the wave in one complete oscillation. So their product will give the velocity, and therefore lambda will be c by nu. Now c is 2.998 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second, and frequency is 2.45 into 10 to the power 9 per second. Per second will cancel out. 10 to the power 10 by 10 to the power 9, it will be 10, and if we multiply it, we have 2.998 into 10, so it will be 29.98 divided by 2.45. That will give us 12.2367. And we have centimeter here, so since it is wavelength, centimeter must appear here. It is the unit of a distance. Now that the wavelength is 12.2367 centimeter, we can visualize its size. See, it is 0 and here it is 12. 12.2367 means little larger than 12. So one single microwave wave it will start from here and go up and then go down, then again come up and end here at 12.2367. This distance is the wavelength. So one wave, one complete oscillation will cover a distance of 12 centimeter. Is this result correct? To check this, you have to know the range of microwave radiation. Microwave radiation actually ranges between 1 meter and 1 millimeter. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter and 1 millimeter means 0.1 centimeter. So it ranges from 0.1 centimeter to 100 centimeter. So our result is okay. It is obviously a microwave radiation. Now next question, we have to find the wave number. Wave number is defined by number of waves per centimeter. So it will be nu by c, since c centimeter is traveled by the wave in 1 second and nu is the frequency, that is number of oscillations in 1 second. So c centimeter will contain nu number of waves. So 1 centimeter will contain nu by c number of waves. So it will be nu into lambda. We place the value of c, so it will be 1 by lambda. Wave number is reciprocal of wavelength. Now you put here 1 by 12.2367 centimeter. It will give us the unit centimeter inverse, and it will be 0.08172 centimeter inverse. This is the wave number. Next question, what is the energy of a photon in kilojoule per mole? Now, energy of a photon depends on the frequency, and if we try to express it in per mole, then it is demanding the value of 1 Einstein. 1 Einstein means energy of 1 mole of photon. So, to have this, we have to find the energy of a single photon and then we have to multiply it with Avogadro number. For this, first we have to determine the energy of a single photon. So energy of a single photon, E equals to h nu. This is as per Planck's law, and h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. We are trying it with joule since they have demanded to express the result in kilojoule per mole. So it is joule second, and the frequency is 2.45 into 10 to the power 9 per second. So per second and second will cancel and joule will be left, and that is obvious since we are finding out energy. So multiplying, we will get 16.2337 into 10 to the power minus 25 joule. Express it like 1.62337 into 10 to the power minus 24 joule. So this is the energy of a single photon. Now we have to find the energy in kilojoule per mole. That is, we have to find the energy of 1 mole of photon. That is 1 Einstein. So E Einstein equals to, this is the energy of a single photon multiplied by Avogadro number. So this will give us 9.7759 into 10 to the power minus 4 kilojoule per mole. We have to take 10 to the power 3 here, and 10 to the power 3 joule will be kilojoule. So it is this amount of energy. Now the last question, what type of transition do these ovens seek to excite in molecules? That is how the heating occurs in a microwave oven. Outside laboratory, the microwave radiation has become familiar in advanced kitchen in the form of microwave oven. The microwave radiation forces the water molecules within the food to excite to rotational states having high J value, which is followed by non-radiative or thermal de-excitation, and the food gets cooked internally. So we have water molecules within the food, and absorbing the microwave radiation, those water molecules start rotating at a greater speed. It excites the water molecules to excited rotational states, and spontaneously they come to the ground state or low energy states by releasing the excess energy in the form of heat. And water molecules are present throughout the bulk of the food. So heating here occurs through the entire bulk, and the food gets cooked quickly since it is internal heating. So we can answer in this way that we can say that microwave ovens seek rotational transition in molecules, and rotational excitation and de-excitation leads to heating. Now one interesting note that I will try to make here is that microwave oven cooks more efficiently compared to traditional cooking, since the heating occurs throughout the bulk. The heating is internal, whereas in traditional cooking the food is cooked from outside, hence is slower. But unfortunately, the heating effect on human being, on human body, is also similar to that of food. So as food gets cooked, it can also cook your hand or human body. So before starting the machine, before switching it on, please be ensured that the door of the oven is closed properly so that no radiation leaks out. Otherwise, it may cause serious damage to you. So don't try to cook using microwave oven keeping its door open.